Hello and welcome to Arrowhead Tactical Apparel. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up and install your new Enhanced Rapid Clasp Belt with your Carrier Apparel. After that, we'll show you how to install your IWB holster so you can carry in comfort. Let's get started. Your Enhanced Rapid Clasp Belt will come mostly assembled. The belt is designed to hold your size between wears, so it only has to be dialed in once. To adjust the size of the belt, you can feed more or less of the nylon webbing through the tension slide lock on the outward-facing portion of the buckle.
Confirm the fitment by wrapping the belt around your waist without much clothing underneath. The ideal fitment is when the belt is slightly tight against your body, not loose or uncomfortably tight. Use the elastic band to capture the excess slack.
Now that the sizing is dialed in, let's install the belt.
Unbuckle the Enhanced Rapid Clasp Belt and remove the smaller buckle by pushing it toward the webbing as shown. Be careful as the clip has pointy retaining teeth which attach the buckle to the belt. Now we are ready to thread the belt into the clothing. While wearing your Carrier apparel, roll down the waistband to expose the inner belt loops. Point the exposed magnet on the attached buckle outwards away from your body, and in this orientation, thread the exposed end of the belt like you would thread any other belt. Once fully threaded, reattach the removable buckle to the exposed end of the belt. Slide the belt into the buckle and close the hinged door onto the belt, engaging the retaining teeth into the belt. Be sure to check the orientation of the buckle and make sure it's secured. Next, roll your waistband back up. Latch the two pieces of the magnetic buckle together. Remember, the belt should be slightly tight, not loose or uncomfortably tight. Many IWB holsters will clip directly to the inner belt for maximum concealment. The Enhanced Rapid Clasp Belt offers more space to place your holster thanks to its smaller buckle. Always ensure that your holster is firmly attached before carrying. You can also add other waist-mounted accessories like magazine carriers if desired. Once it's set up for you, the belt will hold its position. To take off the apparel, just unclasp the metal buckle. Before washing or drying the apparel, we recommend removing the belt. Simply remove the smaller buckle from the webbing, roll down the waistband, and pull out the belt from the opposite end.
Last piece, be sure to reattach the removable portion of the buckle before storage to ensure that the belt stays together. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, reach us at info@arrowheadtacticalapparel.com, and we hope you will stay comfortably prepared.